All right, what's up, my
I have a
bros?
knowledge. I face every day. I study every day. I'm still student.
You
Get
still
me?
student?
Yeah, I'm still student. Every day I have one page, bro. Right or wrong, good or bad, whatever. I feel that every feeling.
So what you say your name was? Balla.
But
Oh, you
so what is the question?
where are you from?
I'm born somewhere in the earth. But where I born,
Yeah.
I can survive. No? So
Yeah.
I start to like a move. There's every nation have lucky, some of them they where they born, they live there, like with the powerful. But those kind of chance I don't have.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I
Oh,
chase it.
sorry about
I chase it.
Yeah.
I'm a state and lost man. What else?
You were saying you lived in Amsterdam, right?
No. Somehow my early age, I was in study East Europe. But I started like my life
In Europe?
like early age, 14. I don't know about this world,
Yeah.
What I like, what I see, I like it. I don't know about that. If I know, if I touch this heavy drugs, it's going to affect 4 out of 5, 10 years. So this way, I want to not touch, man. Easy to touch.
What were you doing back there?
Huh?
What were you doing back there?
I smoke crack.
Oh, you smoke crack.
Yes, what's the problem?
And the police tell you to move.
I pay like $60 for my unlimited data phone. I use the service. That's it. Hey, brother, listen.
Yeah.
You Barbados, British colony.
Yeah, Barbados, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
But Barbados, there's 200 years ago, there's no human. You guys all developed that land. Am I right? But so longer, 5,000, 7,000, 20,000 years, human revoluted there.
Yeah.
Hear me?
Yeah.
Yes. I'm a nation, I have a language, I have a culture, but still I can't follow that. What kind of rights in the world? Who ordered to us that?
I just want to ask you a quick question. With your habit, right? How much do you spend a day?
Listen, I'm a real spender, you don't know.
How much?
You don't even calculate that. You don't
No,
even,
no, roughly.
If this paper, you don't count. I don't know, somehow, I'm a spender, you hear me?
Yeah.
Somehow, the money came to my hand. How fast it's come to my hand? More than double speed is gone.
Like $60 a day?
Nah,
Or even
nowadays, like a 40, 30.
80?
I'm on ODSP,
Or
$1,400 I budget from that.
your
That was, I told
ODSP?
you, $10 crack, 1-2 beer, depends.
So a day you spend like $50.
Nah, you crazy?
How much you spend?
20, basically.
20.
That was, I said, $10 crack, 2 beer,
Right.
$5 cigarette.
Right. You're good, yeah?
But if I have $100, I order. Crack is...
You live here in Scarborough?
I don't know, I'm homeless.
You're homeless?
I have family, everything. But there's a rules nowadays. I had to follow that.
Right.
Before I made too high and low, I'm careless, I made a lot of mistake. But I have knowledge. When I make a mistake, I had to face, stand, See, accept that. If I smoke crack, I take a time, 4-5 hours, walking around here. Like how
Yeah.
you have a chance to recording and
So,
talk to me.
all right, I'm asking you, you're homeless because...
No, I'm not homeless, man.
You're not homeless?
I have a lot of places. My most of my relatives from there all have said like houses, businesses. I can go knock the door. Everybody welcome because I'm outgoing, brutally honest man.
Right.
I share with people, man. Listen,
Good.
whatever.
How long have you been here in Canada?
Not here. I don't know, like 200 or more. I do enough.
I didn't hear anything, man.
I live enough. Yeah.
You're living up here?
Now look at my sister come.
Oh, that's your sister?
Yes.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
All right. I think I saw you earlier.
You don't know how she was hurted, how he's abused. She has 2 babies.
Okay.
Woman live like this country in first world, like developed country, and the British, hey, Barbados. You don't.
I'm
what the
from,
fuck are you?
I'm from Zimbabwe.
Listen to me, man.
Yeah, man, I'm from Zimbabwe, man. I'm not from Barbados.
Listen to me, man. Take it off, man. Listen, man. Look at me, man.
No, you can't.
I'm from
I love everyone.
Yeah, don't take video.
No, I'm taking you.
I love everyone. I'm not racist. Human is a human. Color is a color. Fuck.
So you say you're from Sri Lanka.
Hey,
Sri Lanka is close to India, right?
you got to go geography. What is your qualification? How old are you? How long you live in Canada?
35 years.
35 years. What is your qualification?
I'm an engineer, electronics engineer,
What?
technician,
Degree or diploma?
diploma.
Here or there?
Yeah. Yeah.
So what do you do now?
Right now I'm just chilling, man. You saw me. I was just drinking beer by myself.
You speak wrong. Say I'm videotaping.
Oh, right now I'm videotaping
See?
you.
You're
Yeah.
an honest man.
Yeah, I'm videotaping
You have
you.
to speak the line.
Yeah, that's the truth. Yeah.
The
Yeah, but
wrong
yeah.
answer.
All
Okay?
right.
So you fail, man.
Yeah.
Understand?
All
Yes, I'm against the law, but my answer always is right, bro.
right.
Trust me.
Yeah.
Yes. I don't hurt people. I'm no violent guy. Somehow I have no good guy habit, but I enjoy that privacy alone. Not to public. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, I like your honesty though.
Thank you, brother.
Because you're cool and whatnot, you don't trouble nobody, you know what I mean?
Sometimes even if I don't have, I go steal $5, $2 can. Fuck it.
Oh, you still in the beer store, yeah?
Fuck
Oh,
it.
fucking guy.
So I'm a sick man. I can go to pharmacist or dispensary.
You still there too?
If I want to, I had to go get it. You're not going to buy it for me. Can you give me $5?
Yeah, I'll look about that, yeah. No problem.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That's fine. You say the answer straight. Yes. That's all I need.
Yes. I'll look
No,
about that.
I really need $5.
Yeah, I'll look about that.
Yes, that's all.
So,
What else you want? What else you want?
can you go in the beer store? Aren't you banned in the beer store or liquor
If you
store?
give me the $5, I don't need to go steal.
You go to the convenience store,
I
right?
paid, man. $4.01, 90 cents if you want, I give you back. That's it.
Yeah.
Yes. I don't need money, brother.
All right, man. Good to talk to you, man.
Listen, the Hindu's philosophy, what I learned from my teachers or my mother, I don't bring this earth nothing. I'm not going to take with me nothing. Everything is in the earth. Enjoy, it's a chance.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah, man.
That's it. With the knowledge of it, because we are human. We are lucky, we are not born like birds or animals, Thank you, very much.
All right, bro. Thanks very much, yeah?
Yes, ma'am. There's more than smartest people is there, Elon Musk. They start to reach small, I'm worried. Why am I fucking dummy consuming drugs in the corner alone?
All right. Before I go, right?
I'm not educated man.
No. Before I go, I want to ask you a quick
challenger,
question,
man,
right?
Because I have a vision.
What made you be an addict? What contributed for you to take the crack? What happened?
Yes. Because I started my life, I lost my family, alone life. So one woman crossed. That's popular in Germany. So she gave me so one day we both started crying, private drugs. One day I lost her. She's gone.
Yeah.
It's good, really. Who I am? Where's my fear? Who's in the 2-3 years gap? And then I meet always still now know my wife. Most of the life partners or drugs consumers affected sick people who need people. Understand?
Yeah.
But still.
Oh, you have children?
Yeah.
You used to have a wife, or you have a wife?
Yes. Fun. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I go there. So, what I went through with so everything is. Where's the God, man? Mommy say. Why these people are like this? You rich, I'm poor.
Yeah.
I'm starving. You throw the garbage, food.
Yeah.
What's this?
Why won't you go to the hub and get some food?
Hey man, I don't do. waiting to.
Every Tuesday and Thursday, man.
I'm a speed man.
Yeah.
Yes. I don't.
So sometimes
I don't take from people pocket. I take from myself.
So you take from the grocery store, from the beer
Sometimes
store.
what I need. I go up to 3 times I went counseling, pre-COVID. No problem. Took half. So the said CEO, Dr. Parvati. One day I asked her, Miss Parvati,
All right,
I
bro.
heard about you. You research about the Tamil community,
Yeah,
how they affected.
you're Tamil?
I'm a Tamil, yeah. How they affected every single family, 1-2 people, alcohol, drugs. She researched. I don't know, he wrote it a book. He submitted in government. She got a PhD award. And the government gave her this place and expense everything for free her. Because she pointed to the society, something's going on, drug, how the people, every community affected.
All right.
You understand, man?
Thanks, bro.